Okay, so what do we have here? Which marketplace?
In Germany.
Okay, so the product looks exactly the same. Also, the description looks the same. Let's go. So let's go on Manuman also to check 1905. Let's close this. Let's close this. 1905. So the price is correct. So we have two variations. Let's see if there is any flag. No, no flag. So the product is definitely correct. Okay, we have Amazon in the listing here, so we have to be a little bit more careful, but definitely there's room for adjusting our price. So we see. So let's start from the 3-month analysis. So from this view here, I see that the price is following more or less two main lines. So we have this line here, the 39, more or less in the range of 40 euros. That is more or less continuing also here. Here we have some high price exceptions, but more or less I can draw a line here. And this is more or less the most stable price for this product. Then we have some exceptions. So we have this period in which the price is lower. So here in the range of 30 euros, here in the range of 32 euros, and here in the range of 34 euros. So for most of the time, the price is in the range of 40, but from time to time, it gets low to something around 32, 30 euros. So if you want to be extra careful, you want to calculate your profit on the lowest value to see if in case you're forced to lower the price to that level, if you're still able to sell out. So in this case, yes, you're still having profit. So even in the worst case scenario in which Amazon is dropping the price here, you are still going to sell this product for a lower profit, of course, but you're still going to sell out. So first analysis is okay. So lowest possible price, you are good to go because you're still having profit. Then the optimal price is definitely this one. So 30, somewhere in the range of 38 to 40 euros.
39, yes.
So for most of the time, you're going to sell your product for this price here, for this profit here. So it's definitely more interesting for as a product. So you have a 10 euros profit for each unit. Let's see how many sales a month we can make. So the software is suggesting 17. Let's see. 1, 2, 3 in this range here. Here we have some small spikes. I'm not sure if they are really sales or not. 4, 5, 6. I would say in the range of 10 units a month. But consider that in this period, Amazon was having quite a high price. So this could have reduced the number of sales a lot. So let's go back in time and analyze a bit more. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So roughly 16 units when the price was in the range of the 40 euros. So looking back at history, probably here the price was too high and the sales dropped a bit. But in a stable situation, by setting up a price in the range of 40 euros, you can expect something around the 15 euros, 15 units a month sold unit. For how much was that? 11 euros benefit with pan-European, so probably a little bit less for you that you don't have a pan-European. So yes, in Germany you can expect something like that on a stable basis. So here, let's say, in general, this is a product that I would flag it as very easy to analyze.
Okay.
The price is quite stable. You have only 2 ranges, and the lower range is still profitable.
Yes.
So the price condition is not a problem. You don't have to take any risk. Because in the worst possible case scenario, your worst price is still going to be profitable for you. Then in terms of what's happening with people. Then in terms of sales volume, it's a product that is generating something between 10 and 20 units a month, depending on the price. So given that it's having a solid 10 euros profit, this is definitely a product that you want to have in your inventory.
Okay.
Better to check, but usually these kind of products here are quite safe. Better to check upfront if it's a hazmat product.
No, it's not a hazmat.
It's not okay, because
Yes.
there are certain sharp objects that are flagged as hazmat. I mean, knives, saws, or other sharp tools that even if they are packed, if they are offered in sealed packages, for some reason Amazon is flagging them as hazmat because they can let's say hurt the Amazon staff while manipulating them. So for this kind of products, it's always good practice to check if it's hazmat using the hazmat check that it was explained you in another session. It's just a recommendation. If it's not flagged, then you're good to go, and there is no problem. For the rest, this is definitely a product that you want to buy and you want to ship to Amazon because it's going to generate quite some sales.
Okay.
Consider another consideration here. So these sales here, so this estimate here that more or less corresponds on the analysis that we have done for the past 3 months, corresponds to a number of sales in which you don't have to compete with anybody else. Since Amazon is in the game, be prepared to have less sales assigned to you. Let's say if you want to stock enough inventory, you don't want to buy exactly 17 units because some of these sales, I would say half of these sales, are going to be given to Amazon.
Okay.
So if you want to have a proper month inventory estimate, you should definitely reduce this a bit. I would buy 10 of these units instead of 17. If you want to have inventory for 1 month. If you want to have inventory for a longer period, then it's definitely wiser to buy a little bit more, but not too much. Otherwise, you're going to end up paying for long-term storage fees on Amazon. We are going to cover this in a session in the future about how many units you want to buy in order to fulfill the request and not having to run out of stock.
Okay.
While not paying too much for inventory storage fees. Because every time you have something stored at Amazon and this product is not selling for a while, you end up paying storage fees for each month that is passing. So you don't want to buy too much because otherwise you end up paying a lot for of storage fees, but you don't want to buy too little because otherwise you don't have enough inventory to sell until the next repurchase period.
Okay.
But repeat, we are going to cover this part in a following session, and we're going to explain you which strategies you can use in order to decide which amount to buy when placing an order for a certain product. In this case, consider that for 1 month, if you want to sell for 1 month, you should not buy less than 10 units of this product here. If you buy less than 10 units, you're not going to probably survive the first month, and you have to buy again before the month is over. And you don't want to buy too often, otherwise it's a lot of time that you waste on doing always the same things.
Yes.
Okay. But in general, this is an excellent product that you want to have in your inventory. So this is definitely a green flag. All the parameters are in place, sales a month, profit, the price range is stable. So you want to have this product and you want to sell this product.